Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Set Up HAP Lite. First, unbox your device and connect the power adapter to the micro USB port. Next, plug your internet service provider's Ethernet cable into the first port. Then, connect your computer to any of the other 3 Ethernet ports. Make sure your computer's network settings are configured to obtain an IP address automatically. This initial physical setup is crucial for accessing the device's configuration interface. Once physically connected, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type the default IP address, 192.168.88.1. You'll be prompted to log in. The default username is admin, and initially there is no password, so leave that field empty. Upon successful login, the very first thing you should do is create a strong, new password for the admin user to protect your router from unauthorized access. Now, let's configure your wireless network. Navigate to the Quick Set menu or the wireless section within the web interface. Here, you can change the default wireless network name, also known as the SSID, to something easily recognizable. For security, ensure you select WPA2PSK as the authentication type. Finally, create a strong, unique password for your Wi-Fi network. This ensures only authorized devices can connect, protecting your home network. To maintain optimal performance and security, always check for and install the latest router OS software updates. This ensures you have the newest features and bug fixes. It's also a good practice to disable any unused services, such as MAC Telnet or MAC Winbox, to minimize potential vulnerabilities. For advanced security, consider changing the default port numbers for management interfaces like SSH. Finally, regularly review your firewall rules and user accounts to ensure your network remains secure over time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.